Hello everybody, welcome to a Pair Trade Finder video which describes a particular trade. This is a pair trade on Noble Energy versus Schlumberger. Noble Energy shares have tumbled nearly 11% since the company reported its financial results approximately 6 weeks ago. The decline in the value of the shares, which was predicated on higher capital expenditures and poor derivative performance, fell versus Schlumberger to nearly a 300-day low, which you can see in this chart down here. That's what it's testing. You can also see that this type of trade is an oscillating type of trade where the ratio oscillates around the mean, the blue line that you'll see right here. So expectations is going to continue to mean revert over the course of time. You can also see the correlation between the two really at the upper end of its 300-day range near the 90% level, which means that the two stocks are moving in tandem. Both stocks have been trading under pressure. You can see energy equities for the most part. Noble, you can see, is at the very bottom of its range, and it's been sort of in a downtrend. Schlumberger as well. Bottom end of the range has been somewhat in a downtrend. Crude oil and natural gas prices are off their highs. They are mid-range trading as OPEC continues to attempt to rebalance inventories, and that's really kept crude oil prices higher. Natural gas has been elevated off of its lows that we saw almost a year ago, but the weather is relatively cold in the Northeast. That's giving natural gas a little bit more staying power late in the season. Inventories around average of the 5-year range at this present time. So Noble will get another chance. The company will report in about 6 weeks. Estimates have been moving higher, which is usually a positive sign for stocks. According to Zacks, you can look that up, looking for NBL in Yahoo Finance. There have been 4 upgrades and 2 downgrades since their last results. So that's a positive sign as estimates are trending higher. And it's Noble is scheduled to release its results on May 2nd. Schlumberger is scheduled to release its on April 21st. Both stocks are liquid. You can easily borrow Schlumberger and short it at 127 shares near 78.50 if you can get that, versus 298 shares of Noble NBL at 33.50. That gives you a ratio of approximately 42.6. This is based on the default that you'd find at using demo money in the Pair Trade Finder backtesting of pairs. This strategy is based on criteria that I use, looking for at least a 2 standard deviation stretch. That's a deviation from the mean based on Pair Trade Finder's backtester with profits over $200, a win-to-loss ratio of at least 1 in terms of dollar amounts, and no loss greater than $1,000. The stretch back for Noble, which is expectations if you were to get a bounce back to the mean, which is 1 standard deviation. So that's it. I hope you like the video. Thanks very much.